How to buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to go ahead and then actually buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Trust Wallet app and just make sure to authenticate with your account. Then once you authenticate, this is the kind of interface you will see. Then from here, what you have to do is simply go to this option called buy. Then once you come to the buy option, right here you can tap on the search bar, then tap on the Bitcoin option, which is the BTC over here, then just tap on it. Then all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to buy. If I want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, this is the amount of BTC that I will get. Then I can simply go ahead and then basically enter my credit card or whatever other payment method I have. Then once done, I'll be able to buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. This way I'll be able to buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.